How to hide online on Telegram. So the first thing that we need to do is to update our Telegram. Go open your App Store, type in Telegram, and update if this says update. Once you're updated, open the Telegram. In this page, click on the settings on the bottom right corner of the screen. Proceed to Privacy and Security. Under the Privacy tab, click on Last Seen and Online. So here you have three options. If you click on Everybody, basically anyone can see the time you were last active. If you click on My Contacts, your contacts will directly see the time you were last active. And if you click on Nobody, the only phrase that will appear on your active status is Last Seen Recently. Now, if you want to hide for specific users only, under the Exceptions tab, click on Never Share With, select contacts that you want to hide your status from, and then select Done. Once you do this, your status will be hidden to the specific users only. So that is how to hide online on Telegram. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.